All right, continuing our big idea about probability. Knowing about probability helps us to compare events, solve problems, and understand the real world. Today, we're going to work on demonstrating an understanding of how to use words to describe the likelihood of event. However, this time we're going to be conducting and describing experiments. So not just situations and spinners, but looking at experiments. This is lessons 6 and 7 in your textbook. All right, let's take a look at our example. We have a counter, taking a counter from a bag is an experiment. So they're conducting an experiment here. We have Suzanne and Marius conducting this experiment. Suzanne puts these tiles in a paper bag. Paper because then you can't see through it. That's a deliberate choice. In it, she puts 6 red tiles, 2 black tiles, 1 yellow tile, and 1 blue tile. Without looking, Marius takes a tile from the bag. Susan records the color of the tile in the tally chart. Marius returns the tile to the bag and then pulls another one. This experiment was conducted 100 times. And here we have our results of our experiment. This again, remember, is a chart, not a graph, and we have a tally chart here telling us how many times he's chosen each color. So red chose a total of 62 times, black was chosen a total of 18 times, yellow was chosen 9 times, blue was chosen 11 times. Does this make sense? Well, red is the most, so it makes sense that it had more than any other. Black is second most, so it makes sense that it has the second most options chosen. Yellow and blue are about the same amount, so they should be pretty close, and in fact they are. 9 and 11 are really quite close together. All right, let's describe our results here. All right, so let's take a look. 6 of the 10 tiles are red, so it is more likely that red is taken. Yep. The results show that 62 were taken, only 18 of black were taken. So that's likely, that's more likely. That's the way we could describe that. Only 1 tile is yellow, so it is less likely that a yellow is taken. The results show that. 9 of yellow were taken compared to 62 of red and 18 of black. There is 1 yellow tile and 1 blue tile, so taking a yellow and a blue are equally likely. Well, the results showed that the numbers of red and yellow and blue are very close. 9 and 11 are really close numbers, so that makes sense based on our original numbers. All the tiles are colored, so it is certain that a colored tile will be taken out. Definitely. What's impossible? Any color that's not in the bag. They've chosen green. It could be purple. It could be pink. Any color that's not in the bag would be considered impossible. All right, so to practice, you're going to conduct an experiment with your group. You're going to use a paper bag. You're going to create paper tiles. If tiles are not available in the classroom. You will place 10 red tiles in your bag, 5 green tiles, and 5 blue tiles. You will pull out a tile, record, put it back in, and do that again 20 times. And you'll answer these questions. Which tile are you most likely to pull? Which colors were equally likely to be pulled? And then after you conduct your experiments, did that in fact happen? Did that take place? So go ahead and press pause now and first answer your questions. Which color you think is most likely, which colors you think are equally likely, and then conduct your experiment. And then we'll discuss whether or not they match your results. Press pause and try that now.